Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So today is FOMC interest rate for the US. Definitely a very big news event. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that a half an hour before the news comes out, so make sure you check that out. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, I have a hard time believing that this is just going to reverse from here. And really, it looks like a wave one, wave two, wave three. If the news comes out and it goes up and makes like that spike reversal, goes up, makes a double top, and then goes down and reverses and breaks structure, then at that point I would definitely become bearish on the euro dollar. That would probably be the end of this second three-way pattern that I've been talking about for several weeks now. But it doesn't necessarily have to do that because all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. I mean, it could go up, come down, make a higher low, and just keep on trending. So for me, the only thing that would turn me bearish is seeing it go up, make that double top, break a structure to the downside. If that doesn't happen, then I definitely would continue to look for longs. Down here on the 1 hour time frame, I would have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If this is a 1, 2, 3, then I would expect to see anywhere between like a 23 to maybe a 50% pullback. I wouldn't expect to see anything larger than that for a wave 4. And then, like I showed on the higher time frames, probably up again for at least a wave 5. Or possibly this is just a subdivision of an uptrend that is not even close to being over. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.